Hi there, Puente Hills Hyundai family. Today we're going to be going over the 2021 Hyundai Kona Ultimate. In this video, we'll be going over the safety features on the vehicle on the left-hand side of the vent. We're going to be going over the blind spot detection system, lane departure system, and also the forward collision avoidance as well. On this 2021 Hyundai Kona, we do have the smart cruise control with adaptive cruise control, which we'll be going over as well. So on the left hand side, we have a plus and minus with the light bulb. That's pretty much going to go over the brightness for the dashboard. You'll mainly notice this feature at night. You'll be able to see the difference between the lighting at night. Next up, we do have the blind spot detection system. This will go ahead and activate. Once it's blue, that means it's active. In case you're changing your lanes at speed of 35 miles or faster, you're going to go ahead and use your signal, and if anybody's in your blind spot, it's going to go ahead and beep and alert you to let you know, either left or right, but you just got to remember to use your signal indicator. Also, another feature with this blind spot detection system, if you're backing up on a car or backing out of at a grocery store, it's going to go ahead and let you know on the screen what angle the car is coming from as well. Next up, we have the heads-up display. You go ahead and click the heads-up display. You'll be able to see the heads-up display screen go ahead and pop out, and it can also retract. The reason why we let it go ahead and be retract in case you don't want any sun exposure on the screen. Next up, we do have the lane departure feature. Okay, so you're going to be able to see it in the cluster right above the temperature control. If you go ahead and click there, you'll be able to see that it's lit up with white lettering. Once it turns green, pretty much when you're driving at speeds of 35 to 40 miles an hour or faster, it'll go ahead and detect the lanes on the road. In case you're veering off to the lanes on the road, or if you're not using your signal to change lanes, it's going to go ahead and nudge you or alert you, depending on whichever setting you have. Next up, you do have the forward collision. If that is on, the forward collision notification is going to go ahead and let you know or alert you if you're not stopping in time for the car in front of you. Traction control, it's one of the features. This is a front wheel drive car, so you won't really notice much on it. Pretty much this would probably be used mainly if you're ever on the beach and it's not maintaining traction in time. You might also want to go ahead and lower the PSI if you are going to be driving in sand on the tires, just to have better grip. So we're going to be going over the cruise control as well as the adaptive cruise control. If we go ahead and click on cruise, it's going to go ahead and let us know the miles per hour we can go ahead and set the car at. So say we want to go at 65 miles per hour, we can go ahead and do so. If we go ahead and click down on set. Now, as I click down on set, we are parked, so we're not driving. It's not going to go ahead and let us adjust the settings. After we go ahead and set your settings to the 65 miles per hour, we can set the distance as far as how close we want to be for the car in front of us. So we have a setting of 1 to up to 4 cars distance. In case the car is going slower than the speed that we selected, for example, the 65 miles per hour, we can go ahead or actually the car itself is going to slow down as well and maintain that distance for you. In case you want to go ahead and make more of a distance, you can always click the button there. It'll show you as well how many car lengths are you away from the car in front of you. You can also do minute details as far as going up as well on the resistance plus. So you can go ahead and add a mile per hour faster, or you can go down as well. You can minimize down, or you can slow down 1 mile an hour slower if you'd like. And then in case you want to go ahead and turn off the cruise control, you can either tap on the brake or you just click cancel on the steering wheel as well. And then in order to turn it off, you can go ahead and just click cruise. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. In case you have any questions about this video, feel free to go ahead and comment down below.